Hi friends, I want to give you some examples of how you can take advantage and use your portable power station, the DaranEner portable power station. This is the Neo 300. And when you are outside, either if you are on a camping trip or working outside in a project or in any activity that requires to be outside, you need a power station. You need a power bank nowadays because everything we use is electronic. So when you are outside, the first thing you need to charge is your phone. You don't want to be left with no energy. So we have DC power on and we're charging our phone here, okay? Then, of course, if you are going to be outside for a few days, you want to have your tablets charged. You don't want to be in a trip 2-3 days camping or fishing or whatever and lose the power in your tablet. In my case, I use my Kindle reader and I am charging it right now with the phone at the same time. As you can see, the unit tells you that it's using USB power. Also, I have this camera, like this surveillance well, it's a small camera. You could be using it. Here, you have like a car lighter kind of port. And as you can see, it's giving energy to my camera. So I could be filming my dogs while I'm working, and it's going to be working. It's going to be getting energy from the power unit. And finally, as I am going to do right now, I'm going to cut some branches of this tree with my mini chainsaw. So also I'm going to be able to charge the batteries that I need. I need to turn on the AC power also. Now I have AC and DC and it's using all of the ports. And now I'm charging my batteries also. So as you can see, you can do all these energy requirement jobs. Also remember, it has this light in the back, the LED. If you need light, if it's in the night, now we don't need it. But I just wanted to show you how you can really use a lot of functions with this power station when you are outside, when you are doing something in a field trip, in the beach, in a fishing trip, in the woods, camping, wherever you are outside and you need power. This Neo 300 unit will be really, really helpful. Thank you.